Is crypto regulation for XLM and XRP going to be a good or bad thing? I've got some interesting data to show you for countries that have already gone through legalization, what's happened to their crypto markets. We can use that same data and apply it to the United States. Let's explore. Any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Joe Biden wants to learn more about cryptocurrencies. We're getting little tidbits of news out there that the Biden administration wants to learn more about CBDCs, and they want agencies out there to start gathering data. How does it affect safety, security, the US dollar, so forth. So now let's look at other countries that have gone through crypto legalization. And there was a little tidbit of information here that I think a lot of people missed out on, and here you go. India, for example, has seen an explosion in crypto interest since the country issued a 30% tax on profits from crypto trading. Now you're sitting here and you're thinking, well, wait a minute. They imposed a 30% tax on crypto. How is that good for the crypto market? Listen to this. WazirX, India's largest crypto wallet, has seen daily signups on its platform jump almost 30% since February 1st when the government announced the tax. So India now proposes taxing crypto. So what happened? All that money on the sideline that was waiting for regulation decided to come out and play. Yes, 30% daily increase in account signups. But let's keep going. So let's use Google search terms here and verify those results. So I have crypto tax put up, and look what you see on the chart. In the last 12 months, we have seen just recently, yes, between January 30th and February 5th, crypto tax is a search term worldwide. This is the highest we've ever seen. Now, interestingly enough, let's highlight India specifically, because this is where the article takes place. And let's see, how big has this happened now in India? All right, India up on the screen, and there you go. Ever since their country announced it, Google search terms go up, which means more and more eyes on the screens, butts on the seats, crypto adoption. Yes, legalization, announcing the 30% tax didn't thwart investors, but brought on a whole new interest as seen in this chart. But you guys know what? I, of course, have more. Let's go to Russia. Russia will approve Bitcoin as legal currency. And you're saying, well, wait a minute. Is the same trend happening in Russia? Here you go. I put crypto in for Russia, and look at this. Ever since the FUD, and you have to remember this, FUD is still good advertising. It's better than no advertising. Look at the history of crypto in Russia. Since January 19th, we have seen an explosion in crypto interest in Russia. Why? Because the government is looking at ways to legalize it and make it useful for its citizens. So I know you're sitting there and you think, well, wait a minute, Russia and India, that's a little bit different than the United States. We don't know what Joe Biden is going to do. Let's be honest here. Any legalization, any regulation that helps with crypto is going to bring money on the sidelines that's been waiting for legalization and regulation. Yes, there are billions and billions of dollars on the sidelines right now between private investors, alternative investors, and hedge funds out there that want to get into crypto but are waiting on the government and the SEC to start regulating it. On March 1st, we're going to be rebranding the channel with a more crypto-appropriate theme. We're going to be changing our name and logo. And so that you don't miss out, hit that subscribe button down below, because I don't want to miss anyone when we make that transition happen. All right, let's get back to it. So let's tie this all together. Crypto regulation has brought money from the sidelines into the forefront for countries that have legalized crypto. Now for the United States, what are our big fears? The first one is a Biden overreach. Yes, an overreach on crypto will be a temporary bad thing, but remember, we always have the courts to help back us up if that happens. The second one is, what if the executive order is really boring and more exploratory than anything, right? That delay in action will cause other countries to bump ahead in the United States regarding crypto. A weak executive order would be the worst thing for us, because those delays, we know what happens with delays, it causes downward price movement. So with that in mind, Biden executive crypto order is set to come out any day. I'm super excited to see what it entails. So stay tuned, because I will have further updates. All right, everyone, take care.